I never introduced this video. Hi, my name is Lizzie. I'm 26. I live in Colorado, and today I'm going to be doing like a day in my life. It is currently about 8:15, so I'm going to start up work for the day. I work from home. I'm a marketing specialist for a tech company. It is currently December 10th, so I have some Christmas time off coming up soon, so I'm super excited, but there's a lot to be done before that. I am going to head on down to my desk now and probably lock my phone up so that I have a really productive morning. I have this lock box and I can like set a timer on it, and it literally locks your phone so you cannot access it. You could like send a text if you really needed to, but it helps me a lot. So let's head on downstairs and yeah, get this bread because it's work time, baby. Oh, I actually forgot to lock my phone up. So this is the lock box that I use. I've had it for a couple of years now and it works great. It's upside down. So all you have to do is put your phone in here and then you choose the time. I'll do like 2 hours, that's fine. And then it counts down and you'll hear the noise. And it's locked, so it's going to be locked for 2 hours. I just put it like over here in case, I don't know, there's an emergency or something. I'm having oatmeal. It's very basic, but it sounds good. And I'm going to add a little cinnamon and peanut butter, my classic. So far, I'm having a very productive day. It's going well. I'm accomplishing what I want to accomplish, and I'm proud of myself because I have so much to wrap up in the next 2 weeks. It's actually insane. I should be more stressed right now. I am such a cinnamon addict. Like, I like cinnamon in my coffee. I like it in my oatmeal. I like it in my pancakes. I like it everywhere. I'm really excited for 2025, and it's December, which means like everybody's planning and goal setting. I have set my goals, but I'm trying to be much more realistic this year and smart with my goal setting. I think I'm gonna do a full video on like 2025 goals and like how to reset and how to prepare for the new year and like actually stick to your goals. I love the concept of like the winter arc. I see that like all over my feed, like winter arc, like don't wait for the new year to essentially like start the goals that you want to be doing now. So I've definitely been on that train and I've been pretty consistent. As a marketing girly, I did a SWOT analysis of my life and I was like so surprised how mind-opening that was, and it really helped me like kind of divvy up my strengths. Well, if you don't know a SWOT analysis, it's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's lunchtime now, and Brian's here for lunch. Look at him, he's making a burrito. We have leftover burritos from last night, so I'm gonna heat mine up and eat it, and then get back to typing on my computer, because that's really what jobs are these days. Wish we had cheese.
I do too. Sponge.
Do you want to watch like an Arcane or something? Looks delicious. What up, y'all? Brian just left. It is about 1 o'clock. It is about 1 o'clock now, so I'm gonna do some work from the couch and yeah, just knock out the rest of the workday. I got this package and I'm super excited about it, so I'm gonna open it real quick. So I bought a new fancy pillow because my neck has been hurting. Brian actually has this pillow, the same one, and I really liked it, so I'm excited. I'm very excited about this. It's super comfortable. It smells good. Anyways, back to work. Alrighty, it is 5 o'clock officially, so I clocked out for the day. I got so much done today. I was like corporate weapon mode, and I just feel really good about closing out the year strong. I think I did a really good job this year, just from me personally and like what I've accomplished and how much I've learned this year. If you're new to my channel, I got my marketing job about a year ago now. It's crazy that it's been almost a full year now. Yeah, after today, I just feel a lot better about like finishing out this next week and a half really strong, because I'm taking 12 days off for Christmas and I'm so excited. Right now I'm kind of tired. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit until dinner. I don't really know what we're gonna eat tonight. I think I was supposed to take some meat out of the freezer, but I forgot. So I will catch up with you guys when I end up doing something. It's now officially a vibe. We had some leftovers again for dinner, but we were both hungry still, so we made this rice packet with an egg on top, and I'm gonna add this sauce to it.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. It was really zoomed in.
Oh.
All I've done is watch TV. It's like 6:30 or 7 now. We had dinner and we literally had what we had for lunch for dinner because we're just trying to eat the leftovers. We had some of that like rice and egg thing, and then I've been having yogurt and honey and chocolate chips for dessert lately because it is the best. It is so good. And now Brian just went downstairs to game and I'm gonna watch It's Complicated with Meryl Streep. I don't know why this movie is so good to me. It just like scratches an itch for me. I love this movie. It's not even like that interesting of a movie. I just really, really enjoy it. So I'm gonna watch that, and I'm probably gonna edit this video a little bit. But yeah, lately, like winter nights, pretty chill for me. I'm a hibernator. I like to relax. I like to stay home. I like to chill. I like to vibe. I do that in the summer too, but in the winter, I just really am in my element with it. Happy Tuesday. It is the next day, obviously. So I woke up this morning and I just chilled and took a shower and washed my hair, which was very needed because it was greasy, let me tell you. And I'm just gonna continue this video today. We'll see what we get into. It's gonna be another work day for me. I have a few less meetings today. I'm also gonna try to make a loaf of sourdough bread today because I've been out of bread for like 3 days. If you've been watching my videos, you know that like my new obsession is sourdough. So I'll show you guys how to make bread. I might blow dry my hair later, we'll see if I feel like it or not, but I always put leave-in conditioner on, and then once it dries a little bit, I like to put some hair oil on. I really need a haircut. I think I'm gonna have Brian cut my hair. Probably not today, but like sometime soon, because I don't know about y'all, but like if you're just getting a trim, let me preface this by saying I'm really cheap and I don't like paying for stuff that I can do myself. I'm gonna do it because my hair is really long, and like you can see, it's getting down there, and I have some split ends, and all I really want is just the split ends cut off. So I just want like a really regular trim. I don't need anything done with like my layers or anything like that. So I always wear my Uggs when I work. All right, sneaking upstairs for my breakfast today. What up, y'all? My hair is drying and it's frizzy, but I am having my breakfast at the moment, which is just a banana, and then I'll have a big lunch in like an hour and a half, but I have some meetings starting in like 30 minutes, so I just want to have something in my stomach. Having a really great day, being super productive. Once again, I'm just kind of blowing through my to-do list because I have to. The day's definitely going by super fast, which I am grateful for. It's lunchtime. I ordered Jimmy John's because I have no willpower and I don't want to cook at home, and that's just been me lately. After I eat, I'm going to make my bread, so I'll put that together, and I'm just taking a breather for lunch right now. I'm gonna maybe take 30 minutes or so, or an hour. I can take an hour, I just usually don't. All right, I will catch up with you guys when my food gets here. Anyways, doesn't that look good? I'm so hungry. And now I'm gonna make some bread, so let's do it. Hey y'all, so I have done 3 sets of stretch and folds like you just saw. It is about 4 o'clock right now, so I need to leave this for 2 hours, then come back to it and I'll shape my dough. I've just been working, pretty much wrapped up for the day. I might try to get like one more thing done, and then yeah, I feel good about today. I'm excited to bake bread tonight. It's actually been a hot minute since I've made bread, so let us get this bread. What up? It is like later now. I took a bath and I didn't film it because it wasn't like an aesthetic bath. It was just like a let my body turn into soup kind of bath, but it was very nice. Anyways, my dough is ready for shaping now. So I have to like take it out and then put it into this thing. I'll just show you real quick. All right, and then I just leave this covered for 90 minutes, and then the bread is ready to bake. I'm actually gonna check back on this in about 5 minutes and do something really quick. It's called stitching. It just helps the integrity of the loaf. Oh, nice. Okay, we got some food here.
Three, two, one. Arguing